How to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Swipe right and head over to the Reels section. Now you can simply tap on this record button and then record the video up to 90 seconds. But if you want to upload it from a gallery, then click on the square icon at the bottom left corner. It will open up your gallery. Select the long video that you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this video. Click on it. Now click on Edit Video at the bottom left corner. From here you can crop and minimize the length of the video. Likewise, you can also maximize and make it to 90 seconds. Once you are done, click on this arrow icon. Now once you are ready, tap on share and the reel will be uploaded successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to upload longer videos on Instagram Reel. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.